Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. It's Friday, August 21st, and we're going to talk to you about the grain markets. Okay, the charts I'm going to put in front of you, the row crops and the wheat, everything is above the 100-day moving average. So markets are holding in there really, really good. And it's dry now all of a sudden, and it's not supposed to rain till next week. So look for these markets to hold their gains going into the weekend. Okay, the corn market, first chart of corn. Look at the gap now that we filled weeks past here, and a lot of analysts they don't talk about gap theory or gaps here. And my comment is just be aware that they're there. And corn is very good at filling gaps, and it's very simple. And sometimes genius is simple. So corn market going up and filling that gap, and now selling off and holding in there pretty good. Tuesday we had USDA announcements, 195 metric tons sale of corn to China. That's a good story. That's a good headline. More rumors of China needing U.S. corn. And corn in China is $8. So our price of corn here in USA, really a sale fire for Chinese. And look for them to continue to purchase both soybeans and corn. Okay, the soybean chart here is trending okay here at the end of August. And really it needs to rain. And it doesn't look like it's going till next week. So this pro-farmer crop tour, which goes on this time of the year, finding tremendous pod counts, but the late season drought now is going to cause these plants to abort what they cannot fill. So Monday night, looking ahead, crop conditions in Iowa, their corn and soybean ratings, good to excellent, will be watched closely. So that'll be something we'll be talking about. Okay, China, and their pork herd is coming back, and it's going to take some time, but what did they do when the pork herd there was decimated by ASF? They boosted poultry production. So whether it's pork, poultry, beef, this is very corn, soybean meal, DGD sensitive, and that's what we have to sell to the Chinese. So there's China now, they have an ASF vaccine, so they don't have to go through another round of ASF, Asian swine flu. So they're in pretty good shape there. So look for China continue to buy these feed needs that they need for their growing pork herd over there. Okay, 53% of the U.S. is in some kind of a drought. Nearly half of Iowa has a severe drought here. So really important that we rain for the soybean crop going forward here. Now, all along I thought the September crop report would have higher soybean and corn yields than the August report. Not anymore. These pod counts on the soybeans today, are they going to be as big 10 days from now? I don't think so. It's really, really important that it rains here moving forward. And again, Monday night's crop conditions are really important. Exports out of the key, we seem to be moving along. We've got the really good grain and low prices here for the world to buy. Just kind of a comment on Mexico bought more pork from us than China last week. So China's been buying a lot of pork, and here's Mexico stepping up buying pork. So we need these agricultural exports to continue, and I think they will. Let's have an excellent weekend.